Hey, you didn't know how to make money during the quarantine as a teenager? This will work for any age, really. We're going to use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products for a commission. We're going to need tools that digital marketers use. We're going to need a landing page to capture email addresses. We're going to need email autoresponders to send emails to people to retarget them after their first contact. Stick to the end of the video and I'm going to show you the number one reason why you're not going to be successful online. The number one reason why people are not successful online. If you really want to know the secret, stay to the end of the video. So then I learned about affiliate marketing and I learned how to make thousands of dollars a week. And if you wanted to know the most important thing to make $1,000 a week is, all right, here we are on the computer. We're going to go to a website called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a place where they have a lot of affiliate marketing offers, and you can search any niche you want. I picked health and fitness just because it's what you call an evergreen niche. Evergreen niche means it's always in demand. People are always looking for it. Okay, so let's go over to ClickBank. Okay, and as you see, I've already searched. You go up here to the marketplace when you get to ClickBank. So you go to ClickBank and you go to the marketplace, and then you're going to find products in your niche. Okay, now I picked health and fitness. You can search by popularity. You can search by average sale. You can search down here by gravity. Now, gravity is an important stat on ClickBank. It shows you how many people are actually making money selling that product. It's a very important stat. Okay, so now we're looking down here, and as I was looking, I saw this research, the Godzilla of offers. Godzilla of offers sounds good already. Okay, average sale is $101. Average percentage of the sale is 73%. So that's not a bad percentage. Okay, and the gravity is 318. So right now, 318 affiliates are making money selling this product. That's pretty big. Okay, that's pretty big. All right. So, but what is it? What is it? So I went to research. They have an affiliate page. Okay, and they have a little video that it plays, and it's a sales video. So all you got to do is drive traffic to their page. They're going to have a video here, and you're going to have a special link that's going to track that you sent it to them, and that's how they're going to know it's you, and you're going to get credit, and you're going to get the commission. You're going to get the 73%. Now, here's the interesting thing. For one bottle, 30-day supply, it's this price over here, $49 a bottle. But now, this is a recurring billing, a rebilling product. They're going to want to take this every day forever. Right, so they're not going to buy one bottle. They're going to buy 3 bottles, so they're going to buy 6 bottles. That's the best value. Okay, so you're going to get 73% of that. Okay, not a bad sale. All right, so you go to ClickBank, you find yourself an offer. Okay, now affiliate marketing. Over here, if you can see behind me, traffic. Now, there's free traffic and there's paid traffic. Now, free traffic is YouTube, Facebook groups, things like that. Now, paid traffic is Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, whatever. You got a whole bunch of them. So you get your free traffic, your paid traffic. And if you want to learn how to do paid traffic, check out my video. I'm going to put a link right up here for the Facebook one, and then a little bit later I'll put one for the Google Ads one. Okay, but you're going to take your free traffic and go to a landing page, which is going to collect their email. Okay, now usually you give away what's called a lead magnet, which is something for free, a list, a newsletter, something, okay, that you can give away in your niche, depending on what your niche is. All right. Now, in this niche, it might be, how to lower blood. I don't know what that product does, to be honest with you, but whatever it is, maybe it's lower blood pressure. You say, 3 steps to lowering your blood pressure, or a secret to lowering your blood pressure. They put in their email address, and now you have that for life on your email list. Okay. And now once you've collected their email, you can send them an email every couple of days with different offers, or the same offer over and over again now, because people don't buy on the first exposure. It takes them like 7 exposures to buy something. So this is like the first exposure. Then you're going to send them an email every day showing them the value of it. until they buy it. Okay. Now, also the landing page will have a link that'll go directly to the offer, and some people, a percentage of people will go directly to the offer, and you'll get a commission right away. Other people is going to take the email campaign in order to make your money. Okay, so you might not see your profits right away. It might take a couple of weeks, but once you get the sales funnel going, and once you have the landing page going, every time someone gets the free traffic or the traffic comes and lands on the landing page, you're not doing anything else. Once you've set this up, it works automatically. People are automatically, traffic's automatically being driven to the landing page, automatically collecting the email. When they put their email in, it automatically starts the email sequence. You don't have to do a thing. Okay, and you follow up, and now you have an email list in your niche that you can send products to for the rest of your life. They're not going to opt out if you don't abuse it. Don't abuse it. Okay, so you're going to need tools. I use Builderall. Okay, so you can see affiliate marketing is very powerful, and every time you set up a sales funnel, okay, you've set it up, the work is done, that's going to make you money. You never have to go back and do it again. You can set up another sales funnel for another product, and every couple of days you set up another sales funnel and just let it run. If you're getting free traffic, it's great. If you're doing paid traffic, then click my link for the Facebook ads, on the Google ads, and everything else, and I'll show you how to do paid traffic as well. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Now, you wanted to know the secret, the number one secret, the number one reason why you're not going to make any money, that people don't make money online, is lack of action. Okay, lack of action is the number one reason. They watch videos, they see people making money online, they see all the Lamborghinis and all the fancy stuff, and they don't get off their ass because they want get rich quick schemes, and they don't want to put any time into anything. These things take time to build. Now, I told you can build a sales funnel in a day. If you're good at it, it may take you a couple of days, your first couple of times. Builderall has all the training you need for free. Okay, so take the 14-day free trial, and I mean, not for nothing.